Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Please ignore my dogs barking in the background. Someone just dropped something downstairs, so now they're gonna be freaking out. Okay, actually now they're gonna be freaking out because I just dropped my camera, so. I just graduated high school this May, and that means I'm going to college in a month. So I live in Iowa. That's where I grew up. I am choosing to go play volleyball and do theater at a college in Georgia as someone who is moving almost 20 hours away because I am moving so far away. Packing for college is scary because I feel like I'm gonna forget something like important. I have been very stressed about packing and like what I'm gonna forget or what more do I need, what do I need to buy, what do I need to wait to get until I get down there. Like, packing for college already comes with nerves, so although it's a month until I leave, I'm gonna start packing and I thought I'd take you guys with me. Okay, literally none of this packing is gonna be in like logical order. I'm just grabbing like boxes and like seeing what I can fit. Just trying to organize. I am trying to organize things based off of like what they are in the box, but yeah, me packing them in a certain order, not happening. Okay, I'm just gonna close that because it's like distracting me. I'm starting with like this plate set that I bought for myself, plates and bowls. I'm gonna be wrapping this stuff since it's like ceramic in some like paper just so it doesn't like scratch against each other. We're driving everything down ourselves. They're not gonna be taken care of very nicely probably. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Okay, that does not fit in that shoebox. New idea. Okay, we have a new box. Okay, back to business. It's like a glove, if I do say so myself. No one judge me. I'm literally using tissue paper from my grad party, but bestie's on a budget, okay? So I also got this cute little, where's the lid at? I got this cute little cup as one of my senior gifts, and it has a little glass straw, and it's just so cute. And you can take off this part if you wanted to, I think. But I have like a few like mugs and glasses that I want to take, so I need to wrap those up. Oh frick, I forgot about my bowl. I actually have no clue what I'm doing if you haven't noticed. I'm literally just trying to do my best to be an adult, whatever that means. Okay, now there's someone mowing outside, so I sure hope that doesn't go on for too long, because I don't know what I'm doing. Yo, this looks ridiculous, actually. Okay, now we have stuff that I made in art class that I definitely don't want anything happening to. I'm proud of how I'm doing right now. Look at her. So far, it's looking good. To me. This probably looks atrocious to people, but you know, because it's tissue paper. Welcome back to a new day. I have a picture frame with a photo of me and my boyfriend in it that I'm going to add to that box with the like glass stuff and whatnot. This must stay very safe because it's my boyfriend. I think that this box is basically gonna be done. Can't think of anything else I put in there. I don't want to like fill these up to the brim and stuff because I want to leave some space to like put in like bubble wrap or something. So I'm gonna like grab a new box. So in here I think I'm gonna put these things of like Tupperware that I got. Okay, I'm actually thinking instead of putting it in the box, I got this lunch bag and I could just put all of my Tupperware and stuff in there. The reason why I got all like this like travel Tupperware stuff like that is because I'm gonna play volleyball in college because like I'm cool. So I needed things to be able to pack food. So I also have this thermos that I'm gonna put in like the sides of this bag. Okay, another cute thing that I got was like this little light up mirror. Like you, oh, she's showing my messy room, wait. Oh, Welcome back to a new day of packing. You at all hear like some sort of talking in like the footage? It's because I'm watching Dance Moms as I do this on my iPad because I'm an iPad kid. I have an idea to use this box. Originally, I was just gonna fill this with like random stuff, but now I'm thinking that I'm gonna put my bedding in here. This is a tie blanket that me and my boyfriend made, and I love her, and she's never leaving my side. I love her. Oh my gosh, I literally love this blanket. I can't. I will never shut up about this blanket. I love it so much. Look at, I made this with like the scraps because you like cut off the corners. I made this cute little like pillow thingy. Obviously, like I don't want to like wish away my time like here still at home because I'm literally moving 20 hours away. But I am super excited to move in because I get to see all of my plans like actually happen. It like the vision is so visioning in my head. Like I'm so excited. I got silk pillowcases or satin. Is there a difference between silk and satin? I feel there definitely is. That was a dumb question of me to ask. But satin pillowcases with cute little speckles. My best friend found a Stitch plushie that fits my aesthetic because it's pastel. I love, look at, they fit, they're cutesy. I love cutesy things. I need to be medicated actually. I'm also gonna bring this Build-A-Bear that I got with my boyfriend. There she is. I'm gonna like label her even though I feel like I'm gonna remember because it's literally in like 2 weeks. But you know, I'm gonna label it anyway. You're back on the team. That's where you have to start. Looking cute. This bag is so fetch. Okay, it's the same day as like the previous clips. We are over at my desk now and we are gonna be starting to pack up some of my makeup that I'm gonna be bringing with me. I got this 3-pack of little makeup bags and they're so cute. I love them so much. I'm filling this entire thing up with blush. Okay, I think I have the bags organized in a way that'll work for now. It's literally stressing me out, but it's okay. So right now I have like literally everything in this bag. I have all my primers and stuff for my base, like foundation and concealer. I have like all my eye makeup, like mascara and eyeshadow and liner and stuff in here. There she is. Here's the other big one. I have in a separate bag all of my lips. And then I have all my setting sprays and then makeup remover in here. So and lastly in this little bag is literally all my blushes. So, not all my blushes. There's one blush that I did not pack. I think that that's everything I'm going to do for today. So see you in another clip. A new day. So I have these like cute little board thingies, but I need to decide what I actually want to put on them because this old stuff that I had on there was like old. I didn't care about it. So like I have cleared them off and now I need to decide what I want to put on them. So I haven't recorded a part for this in like forever. I have a whole different haircut. So, you know, I have so much left to pack. Basically no progress has been made since the last time I recorded. Oh my gosh, it's so bad. Wait. My room is a disaster for me trying to kind of pack here and there when I'm like on my way out waiting for someone to come pick me up, like just throw something together. And basically the majority of what I have left is my clothes, but the issue is we believe that there's a wasp nest in my closet. We are almost certain that there's one in the attic that is like inside of my closet because it's not sealed very well. Wasps keep appearing in my room every time I have my closet door open. I'm scared, but I have to do this. I leave tomorrow morning and it is currently, crap, I took off my watch. It's currently like 4:30 and I leave at 9 tomorrow morning. So let's get going. Okay, I have baskets for my keep, for my have to go through, and then like for what I'm taking. Woo! I also have a basket for the clothes that I need to wash like today, like clothes that I want to keep but need to be washed. There's a big old thing of clothes right there. This is rough. Okay. I have my dance moms. The current state of my room is magnificent, actually. Hey guys, it's 4 a.m. The state of my room hasn't changed. Check her out, check her out. And my bed is completely covered. At this point, I just want to put like my clothes in a basket and just carry my clothes up in a basket. My alarm is set to go off in 2 hours. I guess I'll just take a quick nap. I'm gonna start by putting my jeans in this basket, because what else am I gonna do, you know? Okay, there's jeans on me. Okay, so like I put paper over it in hopes that in moving it doesn't get like destroyed. Next up, I'm gonna do with my sweatpant pile. Hey guys, so basically I never filmed anything else after that. My bad. Another great piece of information is that I'm filming this video back home a year later. Okay, well, it's not actually a full year later, like, it's just the summertime. It's July. Girl, what the— I didn't film anything for move-in. Recording it was not in my brain. Recording anything was not in my brain. My roommates were in the dorm as well. I had 2 roommates. It was not going through my brain to record with them there, like these people that I was meeting for the first time. I'd spoken to them, like we had each other on social media and stuff like that, but like I mean, this video is already like long, I'm pretty sure, like it's like 15 minutes, like 12 minutes. I think we're at like 14 right now. That's my guess. But yeah, there's like no other footage. I filmed several videos while I was at school, which I haven't posted, obviously. I'm sorry for not recording anything else, but yeah, that's all I got. Move-in went okay. It was really sad. Honestly, I didn't need to record anything else because I was probably just going to be like really sad. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for new videos because like I said, I have a lot filmed and I'm very motivated to edit them and post them like within the next few weeks before I go back to school. So I will see all of you in the next video. Peace out, Girl Scouts.